Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're a Peloton lover like me, you know how much more fun workouts can be on a bigger screen. Today, we're diving into how to cast Peloton to TV in 2025 feet. It's easier than ever with the latest updates. Whether you're using a Peloton bike, Bike Plus, Tread, or the app on your phone, casting lets you enjoy those high-energy classes on your smart TV for a more immersive experience. First things first, make sure your Peloton device and TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. This is crucial for seamless casting, so double-check that in your device settings. Next, update your Peloton app to the 2025 version. Head to your App Store, search for Peloton, and hit Update if needed. This ensures you have all the latest features, like improved casting stability. Now, let's get to the fun part. Open the Peloton app on your device and navigate to the Settings menu. Look for the Cast or Screen Mirror option, usually found under Display or Devices. Select your TV from the list of available devices. If you're using a Chromecast or similar device, make sure it's plugged in and set up on your TV. Once selected, your Peloton screen should mirror over. You'll see a confirmation on both devices. Pro tip: if you run into issues, like a connection error, restart both your Peloton device and TV, or check for any firmware updates on your TV. In 2025, Peloton has made this process super user-friendly, so it should take less than a minute. Finally, hit play on your favorite class and enjoy the crystal-clear visuals on the big screen. That's it for today's quick guide. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Let's make your workouts epic. See you next time.